We're going to show you how to disable comments on your YouTube channel. Go to YouTube Studio. On your left-hand side, go down to Settings. Then click Community. Go to Defaults. Here you have all different kinds of options. You can allow all comments, you can hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, you can hold all comments for review, and disable comments. Click Disable Comments, and note that this is only happening for videos that you create from now on. Press Save. If you want to go to old videos to disable comments, click on Content. Go to the video in mind. Scroll all the way down to Comments and Ratings, where you have the same options as before. To disable comments on this particular video, click the button and press Save. If you like this video, check out the next one.